So I'm currently hooked onto the microphone on my iPhone. You basically need to go and turn this on using the switch, and there's supposed to be like a green indicator light here. Once it's connected to the receiver, it will just stay green. If it's not connected, the light will be blinking. So if I go and do this, I just need to turn it on. If this is solid green, it's connected and is working. If it's blinking both red and green, it's not connected. And here's a sample of that. If I just take out the receiver from the phone, it starts blinking. And here's the receiver.